Hi, welcome to codeSpace video. In this tutorial we will be mainly seeing how we can access S3 bucket from aws-cli. So we will put one file in S3 bucket and we will try to retrieve that file from the S3 bucket using aws-cli. For this we need to install aws-cli command prompt in our machine. Along with that we need to install Python and Pip. So the link has been given in the description below. I already installed 64-bit of this CLI, so I will skip this step. You can just run in the command prompt aws-version to check if it got installed. If it doesn't get installed, then you can just run this command pip install aws-cli. It will install and fix all the issues. So my AWS version is 1.14.23. so I will go and just create an S3 bucket. You can see this S3 bucket is empty. Now I will go and put a file in this S3 bucket. So I created pol.txt with content hello pol. I'll go and upload this pol.txt to S3 bucket. We can see that it is unable to locate the credentials, so we need to configure the credentials. For this we need to give aws configure. So aws configure needs access key and token key. You can check in the link given in the description below how to generate an access key and token key. So after providing the access key and token key, default region as US East 1. I will keep the output format as default. So I will now go and try to put this file in S3 bucket. We can see that upload is completed. Now I will go and check the UI console. You can see that it got uploaded. Now I will try to upload a folder. So in order to upload a folder, we just need to pass the folder name and the recursive parameter. So you can see that the upload get completed. Now we'll go and check the UI. You can see a folder got created and it has both the file. Now I will go and try to remove this pol.txt from this folder. You can see the delete get completed and it has been removed from the bucket. Now I will go and read this pol.txt. First I will go and delete, and I will try to download this pol.txt from the bucket to my local drive. We can see the download get completed. We'll go and check this. So you can see that it downloaded the same file. That's all for this tutorial. This is how we can upload and download file to S3 using aws-cli. If you like my video, then don't forget to hit the like icon. Thanks for watching this video.